A major political and development story from Telangana's capital Hyderabad, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched and inaugurated several big-ticket development projects and described Cyberabad as India's growth engine. The Prime Minister's visit is being seen as highly significant not only from the development perspective but also politically as the BJP continues to strengthen its footprint in southern India. From infrastructure and connectivity to technology, innovation and economic growth, PM Modi's address focused on transforming Hyderabad into a global powerhouse. Let us take you through all the major highlights of the Prime Minister's visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi reached Hyderabad amid grand celebration and a warm welcome from BJP leaders, workers and supporters. During the visit, the Prime Minister launched several important development projects aimed at boosting infrastructure, connectivity and economic growth in Telangana. Addressing a massive gathering, PM Modi praised Hyderabad's transformation over the years and especially highlighted the role of Cyberabad in India's digital and technological rise, calling Cyberabad the growth engine of India. The Prime Minister said the city has become a symbol of innovation, technology and opportunity.
साइबराबाद का सामर्थ्य नेशनल भी है और ग्लोबल भी है। ये तेलंगाना के और देश के तेज विकास का प्रमुख केंद्र है। इसलिए आज साइबराबाद से तेलंगाना को देश का एक बड़ा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पावर हाउस बनाने के लिए अनेक बड़े प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हो रहे हैं। आज जिन प्रोजेक्ट्स का शिलान्यास और लोकार्पण हुआ है, इससे यहां हजारों हजार नए रोजगार बनेंगे और तेलंगाना की कनेक्टिविटी भी सशक्त होगी। मैं तेलंगाना की जनता को इन प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
The Prime Minister said Hyderabad today represents the aspiration of a new India, an India that is driven by technology, entrepreneurship and modern infrastructure. He stated that cities like Hyderabad are playing a crucial role in making India one of the world's leading. During the events, PM Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stones for multiple projects related to the transport, road connectivity, urban infrastructure and public facilities. According to officials, these projects are expected to improve traffic management, enhance public convenience and accelerate economic activity in the region. The Prime Minister emphasized that rapid urbanization requires world-class infrastructure and efficient public services. He added that the central government is committed to ensuring faster development across all sectors. PM Modi also highlighted how Hyderabad has emerged as a major destination for IT companies, startups and global investments. He said that the city is contributing significantly to India's economic growth and creating employment opportunities for lakhs of young peoples. The Prime Minister underlined that the government's vision is to build future-ready cities equipped with modern technology and sustainable infrastructure. In his speech, PM Modi spoke extensively about India's development journey over the past decades. He said that the country is witnessing rapid progress in sectors such as digital technology, manufacturing, infrastructure and innovation. He stated that India's youth are driving this transformation and cities like Hyderabad are becoming symbol of the country's new confidence. He also stressed the importance of investments in roads, railways, airports and digital infrastructure. According to him, strong infrastructure is the backbone of economic growth and essential for making India a developed nation.
साथियों, आज तेलंगाना का युवा नए सपने देख रहा है। यहां का किसान नई उम्मीदों के साथ आगे बढ़ना चाहता है। यहां के उद्योग, यहां के एमएसएमई, यहां के स्टार्टअप सब एक विकसित तेलंगाना के निर्माण में अपनी भूमिका निभाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि तेलंगाना विकसित होगा तो भारत विकसित होगा। मैं तेलंगाना के हर परिवारजनों को ये भरोसा दिलाता हूं कि आपके सपने पूरे करने के लिए केंद्र सरकार ही इससे भी और तेज गति से काम करती ही रहेगी।
Apart from development, the Prime Minister's speech also carried political significance. He referred that the growing support for the BJP and NDA across different states and said peoples are voting for stability, development and good governance. Political analysis believe that the Hyderabad visit to part of the BJP's larger strategy to expand its influence in Telangana and southern India ahead of upcoming elections. The event witnessed the presence of several senior BJP leaders, union ministers, local representatives and party workers. Large crowds gathered at the venue to witness the Prime Minister's address. Supporters raised slogans and welcomed PM Modi enthusiastically as he reiterated the government commitment to Telangana development. The Prime Minister said that the centre is working with the vision of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. He stressed that development should benefit every section of society and every region of the country. The Prime Minister also highlighted India's emergence as a global economic power. He said that the country is becoming a preferred destination for investment due to political stability, policy reforms and improved infrastructure. According to him, India's progress is being driven by innovation, technology and aspiration of its youth. He further said that Telangana, especially Hyderabad, has the potential to play a leading role in India's growth story. Experts say Hyderabad's growing importance as a technology and business hub has attracted major global companies over the year. Cyberabad, in particular, has become synonymous with India's IT revolution. The region houses leading technology firms, startups and innovation centers that contribute significantly to the country's digital economy. The development projects launched during the PM Modi's visit are expected to further strengthen Hyderabad's position as a global city. Improved infrastructure and connectivity could also encourage more investment and employment generation. The Prime Minister concluded his address by expressing confidence in India's future. He said that the country is moving rapidly towards becoming a development nation and every state has an important role to play in that journey. PM Modi reiterated that the government remains committed to delivering faster growth, better infrastructure and improved quality of the for citizens. As Hyderabad continues to grow as a major economic and technological hub, the project launched during this visit are expected to play a key role in shaping the city's future. And with that, we wrap up with this special report on PM Modi's Hyderabad visit and the major development initiatives launched today.